Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Dave Dare and this is Dare RC Hobby Reviews. Hi guys, we're going to look at the e99 drone. It's a brushed motor drone. It has cameras, it's folding, comes with a carrying case, and I think one battery, maybe two. We'll see. This came from Temu.com. You can get them there, and I'm sure you can also get them at Amazon.com, various other places on the interweb. But anyway, let's get into this. I don't think it has tape, but we'll see. No, I think we're good. There's nothing to see on the box, really. Just a little bit of stuff. Most of it is hard to read. It says 3.7 volt battery, 1800 milliamp. Okay. That's about all it says. Alright, let's get into it. Hope everybody's doing well. Don't forget that the RID started today. Just keep yourself out of trouble. Have to follow along until they make some changes if they're going to. But if you're underweight, under 250 grams, you don't need a registration. If you're flying recreational only, you'll be fine. Excuse me. Thirsty. Okay. Looks like we have top guards, charge cable, extra props, screwdriver. I'll open that up here in a second. The battery. Remote. That's what we have for the manual. Quite a few pages there. Quick start guide. What's this? Shows you all the functionality, how to get started. That's for the app. Looks like Wi-Fi cam app. That's Wi-Fi cam. You can get it on Google Play or others. Has a bottom camera, front facing camera. Looks like pretty cool headlights. Very cool. But unfold it. Front arms, then the back arms. Get rid of this protective cover. Oh yeah. Speeds. Looks like auto takeoff and land. Maybe headless mode or something like that. Something else we'll figure out. Might be lights. Looks like 360 for flips. Gyro calibration there maybe. Well, that looks like auto takeoff and land there, so I'm not sure what that looks like. It looks like a return to home button, but I think that's just another way to auto land. We'll read the manual. Alright, let's see how many batteries. Micro USB charger. Set the drone in the control side real quick so you can see what it comes with. 4 prop guards, charger for the battery, and spare props. like a 4-pack of spare props. I imagine 2 clockwise, 2 counterclockwise, 1 battery, and a screwdriver, drone, and the remote control. Okay, so let's open this up, see what we need to get her turned on. $3AA. All right, hold on 1 second. I'll be right back. Whoops. Back. I always forget something. This time it was the batteries. Found these batteries at Amazon. Good deal. Hey, something's gonna power up. That's good. Put the cover back on. Uh-oh, where'd the screw go? Found it. Okay. Very good. Let's move all this out of the way now. Show you what you need to do here to charge the battery. This micro USB just plugs into it, and that into your wall adapter or your computer or laptop or your car, whichever you have. Lots of methods. Okay, so let's put our battery in. Power on the drone. Place it facing away from you on a flat surface. Turn on the remote. And hey, wow, this one auto binds, so you don't have to slide the throttle up and down. Which, by the way, throttle up, down, spin left, spin right. Sideward flight right, side or left sideward flight, sorry, forward and backward. You have your trim adjustments, left trim, right trim, up trim, down trim, or forward trim, back trim. Okay, so here we go. Now let me show you how to start the motors. Just simply push up on the throttle. It'll stop automatically after a few seconds if you don't take off. If you take off, you just push up on the throttle and take off, or use the auto takeoff, auto land buttons. Okay, let's see if we can get the app and get turned on. So to hook your phone to the quadcopter drone here, you just simply go into your phone's Wi-Fi and find the drone's Wi-Fi signal. I usually have to shut mine off, back on again. Looks like right here, the Wi-Fi 8K up here. Select that, wait a few seconds. You'll get a notification because there's no internet service connection, so you'll have to select yes to stay connected. There it is. Select yes, and you're good. Exit out of that. If you have the app, you can just open it right up. I don't think I have it yet, so give me 1 second and I'll get it downloaded. Nice. Okay, I'm back with the app, Wi-Fi cam. Let's open that up. And we hit the start button. We should see what the drone's seeing. It should be looking at my computer. Yes, it is. So you can take video just by hitting the video button there. Shut it off same way. Take a snapshot. Sorry, there's not much to look at there on the screen. Let me open up a video here. Okay, anyway guys, you can take snapshots same way. To get into the gallery, just hit the gallery icon there. You can switch between the cameras, like that's the bottom camera. Looks pretty good. Low latency, can't beat that for a cheaper drone. Switch it back to the front facing camera. Some lights. You have to move the camera manually. No biggie. But all right, guys, there you have it. That's the E99 drone. Thank you for watching. I hope that helps you get up and in the sky flying. I hope to see you again next time. Thanks for stopping by and have a great day. Bye.